Alright, we're gonna be heading to the farm in about half an hour. I'm just sitting here watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer for a while. Yeah, I've been pretty marathon-y addicted to it right now. I'm on season 3. I'm watching it like crazy. What, a cat up in a tree? Nola, I thought you were dying out here. That's what it sounded like. She's like, oh! What is it? Well, it's one of these kitty cats. Hi, kitty! It's like, seriously, a stupid dog. And now she's just like, yeah. Oh, look at my shadow. I haven't seen it in a while. What's this thing? Hey, hey, hey. There's even a chair back here. Is this supposed to be Brady's clubhouse? Looks like a clubhouse of some sort. Bunch of railroad ties. That'd make good walls. This is where all the snowmobiles get stored in the winter or something. What the truck is that from? Is that from Ben's truck? Oh.
Why are you taking video?
'Cause I am. What is this from? What is this?
A hay loader.
Oh. It says Minnesota right there. I can barely see it, but it does. This is all field, and this looks like a meadow. Oh, it's hard to see it because of the shit. Wow, that looks so dark. It looks so beautiful. Like right there, that's beautiful. There's a puzzle right there. Boom, make that a puzzle. There's a wild mazy dog right there. So the farm was good. There was only like 5 people, including Grandma, so there wasn't very many people at the farm. When I was a kid, it used to be like 20, 25 people, it was 30 people sometimes. And that's just for holidays are like that. So, there wasn't very many people. It was still fun. I'm on TV. So yeah, that's about it. And dogs were being dogs, and I helped Grandma do the dishes and cook and stuff because I was the only girl there. Usually I have a bunch of my aunts over, and she made a big chicken. She made Irene's chicken. Say hi, Irene. Yeah, Irene watches it once in a while. So yeah, so she made Irene's chicken. And then she made mashed potatoes and gravy and stuffing. And when we were all done eating, she made them into a bunch of bowls, and she had like 6 bowls for meals. So she's set. So yeah, I was that tired. So dogs are crazy. And peace, love, and happiness. I'll see you tomorrow.